When you check on somebody's profile on Facebook, you might be able to see a birthday year. Alright, that will roughly show how old you are, your age. But if you want to hide that so that no one else can see it, you can do that too. You can still keep the birthday but hide the year. Okay. Now before I show you how you can do it, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my phone and let me show you how you can hide your birthday year on Facebook. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Facebook app. Click on your own profile at the bottom right. Okay, whichever it is, just open up your profile because I think Android might look different. So you can see my date of birth, right? Alright, click on the pen icon and then you can click on the pen icon just beside your birthday. Click on that. Alright, you want people to see your birthday, you can just allow it to everyone. Probably can see your birthday, friends of friends, friends, or only me. But if you do not want people to see the year that you're born at, so just click on friends of friends. You can see here, you can put on public so everyone can see the year. Friends of friends, friends, or you can click only me. I think I'll just keep to my friends, right? Then only they know my age. Click on done, then you click save. With this way, you can hide your birthday year. You can still have your birthday, but the birthday year is not shown in your profile. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.